Kia ora, and welcome to DRTM. My name is Phoebe, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a speaker system. Now, there are three parts to this setup. Someone is going to talk or sing into the microphone. Then that is going to come through into the mixing desk, and then the mixing desk is going to send that signal into the speaker, and then you hear it. That's how it works. But for this demonstration, we're going to do it backwards because that is how you set it up. So whatever speaker you're using will most likely plug into power or whatever input into the back of it, like this one. Now, just use whatever power cable your speaker comes with. Our one comes with this kind. How it works is you line it up with the grooves and then you twist it till it clicks, just like that. We're going to leave the power off at the moment until everything is plugged in. Now we're going to take one of these cables, which is called an XLR cable. This delivers audio signal. So we're going to plug this into our input because we are inputting signal into the speaker. So what you do is it's got three little pins like that, and you just line it up and plug it in. Once we've plugged one side of the XLR into the speaker, we're going to take the other end and we're going to plug it into the back of the mixing desk. So put it into an out channel because the signal is coming out of the mixing desk and into the speaker. So take this and plug it in here. Now the mixing desk is controlling what you hear from the speaker. Now that the mixing desk and the speaker are both set up, we can turn them both on. So I will turn this one on and it will come to life. And then I'll turn this one on. So I have my microphone and my XLR cable. So I'm going to take one end and plug that into the bottom of the microphone, like that, till it clicks. Then I'm going to take the other end and plug it in to the back of the mixing desk. So whatever number channel I want it to come through, I'm going to put that number input into the back because I'm putting in signal into the mixing desk, and then signals coming out of the output into the speaker. So I'm going to put it in input number 1, and that is going to correspond with channel 1 here, this entire channel here. Now, as I talk into the microphone, you should see this light come up. That means that you're getting signal, but we can't hear anything from the speaker. First, you want to make sure it's not muted. These faders here are down, so we need to bring them up in order to bring the volume up, as you would any remote anything. So first off, we have our main volume. Now this one controls all of these together, so we need that one up here, but we still can't hear anything because the one that we're using is down. So once we bring this one up, we should hear ourselves. So now we can hear ourselves through the speaker, from the microphone, through the mixing desk, and then into the speaker. Thank you for watching this video. Check out DRTM and all our other videos. Ka kite anō.
Good job.